Welcome back to this week's video. This week I thought I would show you guys how to make your own natural cream blush. And it's a lotion, so it's 75% water to 25% oil. You do need a preservative, but it's very easy to make. And once you have all the ingredients, it's like you can make so many things from it. And the color, totally customizable. So you can go pick up whatever mica you want, whatever oxide you want your blush to look like, and you make it. And that's kind of the color here. You'll see later in the video when I do apply the blush, I did put on some foundation because I don't need a blush. Like if I'm not wearing foundation, then I don't need a blush because I've got naturally rosy cheeks. And it does make a quantity of 2. Well, one is more full and the other one is a little bit more partial. And let's get into the video right now. So this is what it looks like on my skin. That's what it looks like. It's very pretty. It reminds me of a cherry blossom. So that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed the recipe. Let me know how you like it in the comments below, and if you were to use a blush, which colors would you like? Do you like more warmer colors, cooler colors? This is quite a cooler pink, and it looks pretty. I personally would only wear blush if I had a face full of foundation, because I have got rosy cheeks that are more of a warmer hue, I think. I'm not too sure, but let me know what color blush you guys use. If you use a blush, if you don't use a blush, and maybe in the future I will make another recipe depending on, you know, maybe the majority of what blush color maybe you guys want to see in the future. Let me know in the comments below. And I mean, this is really cheap to make. Technically, it's like, I would say like, I don't even know, like very cheap, less than $1, minus the container here was 90 cents. You can use any container that you want. You can use a squeeze container because it is a lotion cream mousse. So it is 25% oil to 75% water, or roughly around that ratio. And yeah, let me know what you think. And yeah, a lot of my recipes are based around the same ingredients, so technically the initial purchase is expensive, but not even that expensive. And then you know what you're putting in your products. You can make a lot of other random things, and it's fun. So I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you in the next one.